At the turn of the century, humanity entered a new era. An era in which men began to believe they had grown larger than the world around them. Machines bent the elements to their will. Steam erased distance. Money shaped destinies. The embodiment of this faith was a vessel of unprecedented scale and ambition. Titanic. The name itself sounded like a challenge. Above, gold, music, champagne, and the quiet certainty that this order of things would endure forever. Below, narrow cabins, relentless labor, and people sailing toward the hope of a better life. Titanic was not merely a ship. It was a reflection of its age, a world divided by class and filled with injustice. When it departed on its first voyage to the New World, whispers followed in its wake. Not even God himself could sink this ship. But on that fateful night, as Titanic cut through the black waters of the Atlantic at full speed, an iceberg appeared, as if in answer to the challenge. A dull, almost courteous impact sealed its fate. Panic and chaos spread through the ship. The rich and the poor were equal in their helplessness. And beneath the requiem of doomed musicians, time began to fracture into minutes. 2 hours later, torn apart by its own immense weight, Titanic vanished into the abyss, dragging with it the souls of those who could not escape. That night, the iceberg collided not only with a ship, but with human pride itself. And though Titanic sank into the abyss, the belief that humanity stands above the world survived. Which means this story is destined to repeat itself.